Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2024 and the 2026 Zontes 368G Enduro with a simple headlight height adjustment, video tutorial, preparation tool, Phillips screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to turn left and right headlights adjustment. Adjust the knob as shown in the video. Turn the knob counterclockwise to lower the headlight height. Turn clockwise to raise the headlight height. The adjustment method for the headlight on the other side of the motorcycle is the same. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads.